Last October, Facebook extended the usage and flexibility of Instagram Stories, the Snapchat-like feature that lets you patch together photos and videos into a slideshow, by making it easy to directly post a story to Facebook. Now Facebook is looking at how to bring WhatsApp into the fold. Technology has learned and confirmed that the company is now running a test to let users post their Instagram stories directly to WhatsApp, as a WhatsApp status, a corresponding Snapchat-like feature in the latter messaging app where decorated photos, videos and GIFs can be posted with encryption, disappearing after 24 hours. An Instagram story posted as a WhatsApp status also becomes encrypted like the rest of WhatsApp. We are always testing ways to improve the experience on Instagram and make it easier to share any moment with the people who matter to you, a spokesperson said. From what we understand, the feature is currently being tested with a small number of users. It's based on publicly available code that WhatsApp makes available to integrate WhatsApp messaging with third-party apps on the web or on Android. Users get an option to tap to share to WhatsApp from the Instagram sharing screen, but they still have to press send in WhatsApp to post the story. The reader who tipped us off on it is based in Brazil, where a local blog has also been reporting several sightings in the wild, one of which, on Android, is pictured here, with the Instagram story on the left, and the WhatsApp status cross-posted on the right. Note the Instagram icon in the corner. Facebook tells me that as of last November there were more than 300 million daily active users of Instagram Stories. Add in the ability to share to WhatsApp will give those stories even more ways of generating traffic, especially in countries where WhatsApp is already hugely popular and outstripping usage of Facebook or its messenger app. The second reason could be to help spur more usage of WhatsApp status. This was ostensibly the reason for why Facebook enabled Instagram story sharing to Facebook, whose own stories feature I personally never see get used that much and has been described by my colleague Josh as a ghost town. The same isn't the case for status, though, which Facebook tells me is seeing similar levels of usage to Instagram stories, also with more than 300 million DAUs as of November.